Hey there my friends, 𝐸𝐬𝐧𝐢𝐬𝐢 here. Welcome back to another Infinity Processing System review. In today's video, I want to talk about is Infinity Processing System worth it, right? And when I say that, like, is it worth it? I want to talk about, is Infinity Processing System in comparison to other make money online opportunities, even other affiliate training products, what makes it different and what makes it worth it to actually have in your toolbox and to have as a offer, and I would even argue a primary offer. Okay, so let's just jump into Infinity Processing System. First, let me start by saying what Infinity Processing System is. Infinity Processing System is a digital home-based business opportunity where you can make direct 100% commissions of $50, $150, and $300. You're able to receive those payments direct to your payment processor of choice. You have the options of PayPal, Zelle, Stripe, and Cash App. Okay, there are no monthly fees. Let's get right into that. And one of the beauties of it, and I'm going to talk a little bit more about this in detail, is that Infinity Processing System, I've been saying this for years on social media, that a lot of business opportunities only give you the vehicle, which is the way to make money. They never give you the gas. The gas is the most important part. The gas is the know-how of how to market that vehicle so that it can move, right? You gotta know how to move the vehicle. The gas is what moves the vehicle, and that's the marketing knowledge, the training know-how. So Infinity Processing System is also a training platform, and what it's going to do is teach in a very simplified way. It teaches people how to leverage social media, free social media, to be able to do attraction marketing and to make commissions for whatever you're promoting, whether it's Infinity Processing System, another network marketing program that you have, or another affiliate offer that you have. Once you learn these skill sets, you have these skill sets for life, and you can rinse and repeat, make money on social media, because you have a formula on what to do, a blueprint and a formula of what to do on social media to be profitable, to attract people to you that are raising their hand and want to buy what it is that you're offering. Okay, so that's that. So you're not chasing people, you're not inbox hustling. Ooh, keep getting hair in my mouth. Hold on, y'all. Okay, so let's talk about what makes Infinity Processing System worth it. So there's 5 primary reasons, in my opinion, that I think that, oh, those dogs are huge, why I think Infinity Processing System is worth it. The first reason is that Infinity Processing System, and I'm going to take you inside the membership area and show you proof in a second, but just stick with me. The first reason why I think that Infinity Processing System is worth it is that Infinity Processing System is a suite of trainings, meaning that it has a whole bunch of trainings in there, not, nothing that would be overwhelming, but it has different types of training about different social media you can market on. And if you had to buy each one of those trainings separately, collectively you would pay thousands of dollars for that same knowledge and that same training. I know, like, for example, the YouTube information that's in there, the average YouTube course goes for $500 to $1,000. That's crazy. Like, you get that at a pro membership. So you get YouTube, you get TikTok training in there, you get email marketing training, Facebook training. They give you a daily routine, right? So that's one thing. Another thing that I notice is not found in other opportunities that is an Infinity Processing System is they have a coaching group where weekly members who are having success, or the founder who's a multiple 6-figure earner, is going live and giving gems on how to apply the strategies within your own business. A lot of affiliates are stingy. They don't want to share how they're getting the success that they're getting, and the members in the IPS community are freely giving it away to members who want to be involved in the community. Okay, so there's a coaching group where if you have any questions, and even for you, this is going to be peace of mind for you. A lot of beginners are like, well, someone joins or partners with me, I don't know how to support them. Plug them into the coaching group. The coaching group you know, gives members the support that they need. They can ask questions, they can hop on the weekly trainings, etc. They can go through the old trainings. They're all in there. Okay, so I just wanted to point that out, that is a big plus. A lot of opportunities have no coaching group, no support group, and IPS has that. Okay, the next thing is that another thing that makes it worth it is that the training, that there's no fluff. Okay, guys, you've heard me say this before about, I ain't gonna say the name of the product, but there was a product that I hopped in and it was trash. To this day I can't believe when I opened it, I was like, what is this? Okay, there's no fluff. It's very direct training that gets to the point, and I like that, so that you're not spending all day, all week just going through trainings, right? It's giving you applicable strategies so you can get to the point, you can know what to do, you can get out there and do it. Okay, so that's that. Another thing is that why I think Infinity Processing System, this kind of goes to the compensation plan, is that there's no monthly fees, so that you can get and stay in profit mode as soon as possible. So I want you to imagine coming in as a pro level member. You pay $300 one time, plus your website fee is like $20 or something like that, and you never again have to pay that. Someone buys a pro level membership from you, boom, you're in profit mode, and then you keep profiting from that same initial investment. That's what makes direct member to member programs so wonderful, right? No monthly fees, and you can profit. I myself have made so much money off a $300 investment, which you'll see in the screen in a few seconds. All right, another thing why I think Infinity Processing System is worth it is the ability to make those $300 pro level commissions. I want you to imagine, a lot of people, a lot of affiliate marketers, their goal is simply to make an extra $1,000 a month. If your goal was to simply make an extra $1,000 a month, you would only need to make 4 Infinity Processing System commissions a month. That's 1 a week, right? And that's very doable with the strategies in Infinity Processing System. Whereas I see some affiliates are promoting $50 products and $70 products. You know how many you have to sell of those to even make $1,000, you know, in a month, let alone if your goal was a week, right? So I think that the pro level membership is very attractive for people who want to build consistent, you know, predictable cash flow. That definitely helps. And then the direct payments, right? I like that Infinity Processing System offers the ability to get direct payments, meaning that when you get that payment, someone buys an Infinity Processing System package through your link because you applied the strategies that you learned in Infinity Processing System. When you make a commission, it goes direct to you, and it goes direct into your account. You're not waiting on a company to write you a check. You're not hoping and praying that they pay out. It goes direct into your bank account, member to member. All right, so let's hop into the computer where I can show you proof that this works and that our members are getting results. So I am here in my payment processor, and I have made, at this point, well over almost $5,000 in $300 commissions from this through this payment processor and another payment processor. So just wanted to show my proof. Okay, I just wanted to show you some payment proof. Here we have one of our pro members made a $300 commission, and he said, as I was eating breakfast. So this is just one of the commissions that came in. Let's look at another one of our members. We have Jenna here. She also, as a pro member, made a $300 commission. She said, boom, been at this since March. And, you know, basically she's saying that this is the easiest side hustle and that this works. Just using the strategies. And then we also have another one of our members here who made $450 in a day by being positioned and actually applying the strategies that are in the IPS membership area. So I am inside the members area where you get training from a multiple six-figure earner who shares her secrets on attraction marketing and exactly step by step how she uses marketing to be able to grow on social media. So some of the things that you're going to have access to are the pre-written ads, which are here, and you get ad copy. You can use these straight out of the gate to be able to grow on social media. Let me actually get over there. So these are like some of the pre-written ads that you have access to, and they even have image ads at the bottom that you can use on social media to immediately start getting attraction, leads, and sales on social media with this product. Okay, so those are the pre-written ads. I'm gonna scroll back up. Give me 1 second. It's taking me a little bit longer than what I thought. And with that, you're also going to get access to essentially these are mini courses on how to market on different platforms, and you can pick what platform you want to be on, whether it be Facebook, whether you want to be on YouTube or TikTok, so on and so forth. The other things you get access to is right here. You're gonna let me scroll up. You're gonna know exactly what to say when people ask you for information. You're given a closing script. You're given a step-by-step blueprint, a 7-day action plan for success. Okay, and you're given some other high-level training on how to automate your business and how to set up a funnel, which helps you kind of have more passive leads and sales once you set that up. So this is what you get access to. If you had to pay for all of these courses separately, you would pay a lot of money, but you get all of that included in Infinity Processing System. If you're ready to get started, you're going to come to a page that looks like this, where you can learn all about the training platform and how you can get access to our $300 blueprint. And that's it. So link will be beneath this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.